All right, so today's Monday around 12 p.m. I'm gonna go to the liquor store. I want to see if I can get some energy drinks. I don't know if I can get the Coke energy drink, the new one out or something. I want to maybe try an energy drink. Also, I want to get some lottery tickets, guys, because I'm planning to do like a live St. Patrick's Day video, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to scratch off some lottery tickets. All right, guys, I got some lottery tickets, and I got the new energy Coke right here. So I didn't see any St. Patrick's lottery tickets. I know it's not March yet; it's almost March. But I thought they were green, and they're only $2. These are just set for life. And I'm gonna get more of these scratch-off tickets for my live video, but this is just a start. All right, guys, let's try a sip of this drink. This Coca-Cola has B vitamins in it. Let's give it a try, guys. I found my Coke drink. All right, let's try it out. It has 0 sugar. I feel like it has some sweetener in it, though. I don't know, but energy drinks, I don't like how it tastes. I don't know why. I just don't like how it tastes. Like I said, it doesn't really matter if it tastes bad. If it gives me energy, and I already feel a perk. I think I do. At least it tastes like Coke, right? Because who doesn't like Coke? All right, I'm gonna head back to work and let you guys know at the end of the day if this perks me up a little bit. All right, so today is Monday night at 7 p.m. I'm actually heating up my barbecue lunch I had with my friend. We went to Lissa's barbecue. So yeah, me and my friend went to Lissa's barbecue for the first time. We both went for the first time. I thought it was pretty good. I mean, pretty good. Kind of expensive. This thing was $26, but this is tri-chip. I added some broccoli. I had some leftover broccoli in the refrigerator, and then baked potato with cheese. But this is for my dinner tonight, guys. And I'm also going to edit my vlog for this week. I'm really excited. I love editing my vlogs. They're so fun to edit. So I got a comment on my Instagram picture when I posted this video that the meat looks dry. I mean, there is some sauce on here. They gave me extra sauce, but I also have some Kinders. I'm going to be adding a little bit more sauce on here. So it shouldn't be too dry, right? All right, guys, I was gonna, let me show you what I'm having for lunch. So it's Wednesday around 12:45 p.m. I'm having this for lunch. As I was microwaving my food, I saw this guy. He had these home tostadas. Let me show you a short clip of what he had.
The wrappers with the tortilla, put the lettuce on top, put some sour cream and salsa.
Okay. Yeah, I want to do that. Make that.
It is pretty good.
And I just kept on filming the food, like how did he make it? Because it looked really good. Maybe I could do like a video. And he's like, you want one? I was sure. So I had one. It was really good. He added like he put like some lettuce in an extra bag, sour cream in a bag, cheese in a bag. And the salsa was a little spicy, but it was really, really great. It was like this green sauce. So yeah, it was really good. I don't know if I'd be hungry for my TV dinner for lunch. Maybe I'll just have half of it. I don't know. And I forgot to tell you guys about my hair appointment. My hair, I think it looks okay. It was a crazy day yesterday, guys, at the hair salon. There was this customer at my work, and she really wanted to, I asked her if she did hair, because I thought she did, and she did, and I thought, since my hairstylist is not returning my phone calls or texts or emails, I would just try somebody new. And it's just always awkward to try a new hairstyle, so you don't know if they'll work with you or not. Anyway, she didn't really like matched her hair color or her hair stuff to my hair. She just mixed a couple stuff thinking it might work. And the first 5 minutes, my hair was very, very, very red, really red. So yeah, anyway, she had to like redo my hair and change the color back to the normal. I don't know, I was there for 3 hours. I was supposed to get a haircut and a hair color. And normally when I get a hair color and a haircut, I mean, you're usually there for around 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half if they're super fast. So I was originally going to go back today because I don't know if you can see this part right here is a little bit redder than this part. But I looked in the mirror like, well, it doesn't look too bad. I don't want to spend another hour, 2 hours, 5 hours just to get my hair colored. So I don't think I'm going to see her. I think my hair is okay. It's just a little bit redder on this part, but I think it's okay. So yeah. Today is Sunday before work, guys. I decided to get the new iPhone Pro. I got an iPhone Pro, guys. I'm super excited. This has a lot of memory. It has 256 GB, a lot of storage. Because I wasn't sure if I should get the iPhone 11 because it's a little bit cheaper, or the iPhone Pro. Because the iPhone Pro has 3 cameras, so it's really good camera, and that's what I was looking for in my videos. A little upgrade on my videos, guys. So if I got the regular iPhone 11, it would have been $20 extra a month, which isn't that much more expensive. But if I got the iPhone Pro, which is a better camera, overall better phone, it would have been $33 extra a month. So it's basically $13 extra a month more than the regular iPhone 11. So I thought I might as well just get the iPhone Pro because it's a better camera. So it took a while to like get everything set up. So I think it's been between 3 to 5 years the last time I got a new phone. And guys, the last time I got a new phone, they did everything at the AT&T store. My mom just got a phone and they did everything at the AT&T store. But for some reason, I had to make an online appointment, like a phone appointment. They walked me through it. It took me almost 2 hours to get everything done, really long time. So I guess it's because I didn't have enough iCloud storage. So it was a little bit of difficulty. I couldn't do it over the phone. Then the guy walked me through the iTunes on my computer and we were able to transfer everything. It took a long time. But so far I'm really happy with it. So I haven't really used the phone a lot, but so far I really like the quality. It's really good. They put a glass. I guess I can show you the phone since I have it right here. Because right now I'm filming with my old phone. Because next vlog will be the new phone. But so they put like a little glass screen thing or something, and it's just so makes everything look so shiny. So I don't know. I really like it a lot. Alright, so that's going to end the vlog for this week. So the next week vlog is going to be really cool. I'm going to be filming all my videos. I'm going to start filming all my videos and my mukbang videos with my new iPhone 11 Pro. I'm super excited. This is a way upgrade from the iPhone 6s. I just can't wait to see the video quality. I hope it's going to be really good. And yeah, see you guys next week.